Hello, welcome to HuskiApps. Today I'm going to show you how to set up TermsBee app on your Shopify store. Click on Enable App Embed, click on this option, and then click on Save. Now come back to our app. Please enable this option, and then we have two types of checkbox type. So first one is classic. Let me explain about everything classic. So how it works? Classic, it's work like whenever you want to add full link on this text, so you can just copy the link and paste here, and then save. Click on add to cart. You can see when you click on this button, this link, if anyone click direct checkout, so it will show error. When it checked, it will redirect on the checkout page. Okay. Now let me explain you another type of checkbox. Text with link. How it works? For example, if you have a multiple links in the one line text, so you can write the name here, privacy policy and FAQ. So for example, I just copy this text, paste here, copy FAQ, paste here. Now I'm just copy the another link on the privacy about us. Okay, and then click on save. Now let's test. Click on add to cart. See, here is the new text and new links. You can see the bottom here, about us link, help desk link, and HuskiApps. View my cart. You can see also links change here. See, it's working. When anyone click on direct, so it will show here error. Most important is, please be remember the exact word FAQ match here on the FAQ. For example, if you write FAQs, so it will show here error because it's not found in your checkbox label text. So it will be same the label text word here you want to add. Let me explain you about appearance. Show the checkbox for the specific products only. So click and find the product, whatever you want to show here. It will show only on these products. So checkbox certain countries. For example, if you want to show only for USA, so you can select the state and everything. It will show only for the USA checkbox. Make the checkbox optional. For example, if you don't want to show any kind of error for the users, so you can check this checkbox. Make the checkbox ticked by default. This is our best feature for you. For example, sometimes user will take difficult to checkbox and forget to about check the checkbox. So you can see on the front side. See, checkbox is checked by default. About the log on the backend side order. See, here is the log, the constant data and time in order details. So attributes name you can change here from your side. Now buy it now button behavior on product page. So you want to open pop-up, so you can select, otherwise do nothing, so you can select do nothing. Links open on your new tab or the same window, you can change from here. Show the checkbox in register and login page. If you want to show, so you can here select everything option. Message setting. We have also two types of message setting. First one is pop-up and second is inline. Inline means you can, if anyone click on checkout, so it will show here the error. This means inline text. Let me explain you about the style. You can increase the font size from here. See, you can also change the text color as per your theme design. See the text color. You can change the link color from here to blue. You can also change the error color. And then click on save. See the changes. Error color and the text color and font size, everything changed. Here is the help. See, here is our app setup and FAQ, everything questions for you. You can, if you need any kind of the help, click on the live support. We are happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other question, feel free to contact our customer support team. Bye.